Marinette? Mr. Dupin?
How dare you come back after what you've done?
I will always be here to save Marinette.
She's safe from you and all the boys who want to break her heart.
I didn't mean to break her heart, sir. I swear.
Then I swear that I'm about to crush your bones.
Where are you, Ladybug? I'm sorry, but I can't let you do that.
Why not?
Because I have a damsel in distress to rescue.
I forbid you to rescue her. You don't deserve to save her. From now on, no one else but I will protect her.
And are you planning to protect her all her life?
Exactly. I'll keep her safe from sadness, hardship, and anything else that could hurt her.
You can't protect her from what hurts the most. Do you know what hurts the most?
My great big punches.
No! What hurts the most is solitude. Believe me, I know all about it. Nothing hurts more than isolation. Having to sit alone in front of a cold meal? Is that what you want for your daughter? A lifetime of cold meals in her prison of roses?
She will never be alone! Someday, a prince will come. A prince worthy of her, daring enough to face me! Who will brave the many dangers and pick the magic rose for her! He will be worthy of taking her from my guard!
Tiki! This is a magic prison, Marinette. It looks like it's trying to keep me from finding you! There must be a way out of here. That rose, it's the one Cat Noir gave me.
I may not be her prince, but I'm charming enough to free her.
I forbid you to do so!
Marinette! Marinette! I'm okay. I can do it.
Not being in love with her, losing my stick, won't keep me from saving her. I'll never give up. Never!
You're not worthy of my daughter.
The Miraculous! Grab his ring!